Hello, Tiny Tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying at your homes. Welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And today I'm back with another topic. And our today's topic is about insects. It's about insects. Are you all excited? So let's start our today's class. So tell me, what are insects? Insects क्या होते हैं? Do you know? Yes, insects are small animals. वो क्या होते हैं? Small animals होते हैं. और उनके कितने legs होते हैं? They have 6 legs. Yes, insects have 6 legs and they have 2 antennas. They have 2 antennas. See, like this. All the insects have 2 antennas. And antennas are for वो किस लिए होते हैं? उनसे वो स्मेल कर सकते हैं, उनसे वो टच कर सकते हैं और कुछ इंसेक्ट्स एंटेनास के थ्रू सुन भी सकते हैं. ओके, सो एंटेनास आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर देम. वो उनके बहुत यूज की चीज होती है. उनसे वो टच कर सकते हैं, स्मेल कर सकते हैं एंड दे कैन हियर ऑल्सो थ्रू द एंटेनास. ओके, so now I will tell you about the names of these insects. Now let's start the first one. First one is very colorful and very beautiful. That is butterfly. Yes. So you all have seen butterfly around the flowers. आप जब जाते हो gardens में, parks में, तब आप वहाँ पे क्या देखते हो? Butterflies देखते हैं. Okay. Butterflies are very colorful. Yes, it's very colorful and very beautiful also. Okay. Now next one is ant. Next one is ant. Next is honeybee. Next is honeybee. Honeybee हमें क्या देती है? Honey देती है. Okay. Honeybee gives us honey. Honey क्या होता है? शहद. It is very sweet. वो बहुत मीठा होता है. ठीक है? तो वो कहाँ से आता है? हनी बी से आता है. ओके, हनी बी गिव्स अस हनी. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज स्पाइडर. नेक्स्ट इज स्पाइडर एंड नेक्स्ट इज ग्रास हॉपर. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रास हॉपर. ग्रास हॉपर कहाँ पे होते हैं? मोस्टली दे आर इन द ग्रासेस. वो ग्रासेस पर चल रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, ग्रास हॉपर लिव्स इन द grasses. In the grasses. Okay, next is cockroach. Next is cockroach. And now next is caterpillar. This one is caterpillar. This one is also green in color. It is also in green in color. Okay, see this one? This one is mosquito. This one is mosquito. So मस्किटो क्या होते हैं? मच्छर, जो हमें बहुत परेशान करते हैं ना मच्छर परेशान. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड मस्किटो. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज हाउस फ्लाई. नेक्स्ट इज हाउस फ्लाई. हाउस फ्लाई क्या होती है? मक्खी. ठीक है, इन्हें बोलते हैं आप मक्खी. और मक्खी कब आती है? जब हम कोई भी खाना उससे कवर नहीं करते हैं किसी फूड को, तो उसमें क्या आती है? उसमें मक्खियां आ जाती हैं. ओके, तो इसलिए we should always cover our food. Okay, हमें हमेशा अपने फूड को कवर करके ही रखना चाहिए. Okay, next is ladybird. Next is ladybird. This is in red and black in color. Ladybird is in red and black in color. Okay, so now I want to tell you one thing, that whenever you will see any insect, you should talk about it. You should say the name. अगर आप कभी हाउस फ्लाई दिखती है तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? This is the house fly. Okay. अगर आपको कभी मच्छर काटते हैं तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? Mosquito bites me. What you will say? Mosquito bites me. Okay. Now, like this, you will see all the names of these insects, and that is how you will learn their names. It will be easy for you to learn these name of the insects. Okay, now come to the next page, that is the activity. Cross the odd one out in each row. Now, there are some rows given to you. Now, this is the first row. In the first row, there is 5 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And 4 pictures are same and 1 is odd one out. So, we have to put a cross on the odd one out. Find out which one is the odd one out. Butterfly, butterfly. But this is not a butterfly. This is the spider. So we will put a cross on the spider like this. Okay. Next is ant, 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 ant. But the last one is honeybee. Last one is honeybee. This is not the ant. So we will put a cross on the honeybee. Okay. Next is ladybird. Then cockroach, 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 and again a cockroach. So first is not the cockroach. This one is the ladybird. So we'll put a cross on the ladybird. Next is the caterpillar. Next is the caterpillar. Then grasshopper, 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 and one more grasshopper. So caterpillar is the odd one out. We will put a cross like this. See, next one is housefly, housefly, housefly. But this is not the housefly. This is the mosquito. We will put a cross on mosquito like this. Okay. So I hope you have done this activity with me. Now, this is your homework class that you have to learn all the names of these insects. Okay. And now I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.